That's it! I've come up with a new recipe.
If you understand that reference, comment below.
If you didn't understand that reference, it's from Final Fantasy 15. Welcome. Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, hello, my name is Brittany. Please subscribe and stay a while. Also, like this video, hit those notifications, you know what to do. Can't wink, dang it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a really quick and easy on-the-go breakfast recipe that I use all the time that's actually pretty healthy. No, it's actually really healthy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do overnight oats. Overnight oats are great if you're either really rushed in the morning and it's very hard to make breakfast, you know you're going to be going somewhere where you need to eat on the way, or you just need to pack something to go, or you're like really lazy in the morning and breakfast is like the last thing you want to worry about. I'm more of the latter, but I've definitely used this recipe when I know I'm like getting up, getting in the car and going somewhere and I need to take my breakfast with me. The great thing about overnight oats is it's easy to do the night before. You literally put all the ingredients together in a mason jar or a Tupperware, put it in the fridge, wake up in the morning, it's ready to go. So we're just gonna get right into the video. I'm going to show you guys how to put it all together. This is a very basic recipe for overnight oats, kind of like the standard recipe for just like your basic, average, everyday oats. If you would like to see some cooler, more fancy versions of overnight oats, please make sure to like this video and say something about it in the comments. All right, without further ado, we're gonna go to my kitchen and you're gonna learn how to make overnight oats.
To start off, I am taking a Tupperware, you can also use a mason jar, and then I'm adding 1 cup of rolled oats. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, followed by 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. Make sure that the flaxseed is ground. I'm then using a teaspoon of vanilla for a little bit of sweetness, followed by some mixed berries, that's raspberries and blackberries, and then I'm adding a bunch of cinnamon because I really like cinnamon and cinnamon is great for your metabolism. Then you can add your milk of choice. I'm using regular milk, but you can also add almond milk or coconut milk. It'll all work the same. Then you're going to want to mix that all together, make sure everything's evenly distributed. I have no idea why I hesitated with the spoon in the beginning, but I did. Once you've got everything all nice and mixed together, you're going to go ahead and put a lid on your Tupperware or mason jar, whatever you're using that can go in the fridge. And then you're going to go ahead and just pop that in the fridge overnight. It's really, really simple. And once you're ready to go in the morning, this is what it looks like. Basically looks like gloop. You can heat it up if you want to. I always just eat it cold. I think it tastes fine just like that. But that's pretty much all you need to know, and that's how you do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy. I'm calling